I am Kate Glazer, and I'm on the steps of Buffalo Seminary in the heart of Buffalo. And here's another sensational story.
And this was a third place relay in states.
Yeah,
that was a relay that took third at states.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I'm very sad to go, honestly. It's been such a fun time these past 4 years, and I knew the minute I stepped foot in this building on my shadow day that this was just such a welcoming culture, and it's something I wanted to be a part of.
Senior Lauren Levy looks back on her 4 years at Buffalo Seminary and emotions run high. That is because her experience in and outside the classroom has been more than just impactful. It's been life-changing.
There's nowhere else I'd rather be.
Her father, Dr. Levy, says the education at SEM rivals any other program across the country, fostering precocious leadership and a love for multicultural learning. It's truly everything he wanted for his daughter and more.
Education has always been paramount in our family. As you know, as a physician, I educate medical students and residents at UB. So being involved in higher education, education is always at the forefront in our family. So I'm truly humbled to see how much she has achieved in her 4 short years at SEM, and also grateful. There's an overwhelming feeling of gratitude to this institution for giving her the substrate to achieve both athletically, academically, and to develop as a young woman and a young leader.
So where is this star athlete, captain of the swim team, president of the math club, as well as the Jewish Cultural Club off to next? She is ready to study biomedical engineering at MIT, as well as take her love for swimming to new heights with the college swim team.
SEM is sensational because of its individualism, truly. I cannot thank SEM enough for its support staff and teachers, administrators, and students for allowing me to pursue the course of action, this path that's truly unique to me.